to change keyboard language on iPhone 17e, first we're gonna go to settings. Now over here in settings we should be able to proceed to general. Then over here we can go ahead and open the keyboard option. Now we're gonna go to keyboards, and you should be able to find all available keyboards that you have. If you want to change your available options, you can press add new keyboard, then choose the new language that you wish to have on your phone. So let's say I'm gonna choose Albanian. Besides that, we can tap on edit in the upper right corner in order to, let's say, remove or change the order of your languages. So if you don't want to use your previous language or languages before that you used before, that is, then of course you can just remove them quite easily by tapping on the minus button over here, and then you can confirm by tapping on delete. Simple as that. Now, in case you want to keep more than one language, then of course you can easily do so. If you open the keyboard, then you should be able to find this globe icon in the bottom left corner, which allows you to change between the different languages. And on the space bar, you can see the currently selected language. So as you can see, we can keep pressing in order to switch between all languages that we have available on our in our keyboard. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.